Hey everyone, if you are looking to send large videos from your computer to your phone and you're stingy like me and you don't want to pay a bunch of money for Dropbox or whatever other option, what you can do is you're going to email the video from your computer to your phone, okay? I'm using Gmail and an iPhone, so I'm not sure if this will work on other devices and platforms, but give it a try. You're going to email yourself the video. It's likely going to say that it's larger than 25 megabytes, which is fine, and that it's going to use a Google Drive link. So you'll be using Google Drive. Then what you can do is you go into your email and you'll attach the video, and even if it's bigger than the 25 megabytes, it'll say it uses a Google Drive link. That's fine. You upload, you send it as a Google Drive link, and then open your phone. You go to your email. Once you receive that email, you click on the three dots up top, okay? And once you click on the three dots, you're going to have this menu where you can see send a copy. You're going to click on send a copy because that's actually what's going to let you save the video to your camera roll or your photos, not just like your files or something. So you click on send a copy and then you're going to see save video. This will save the video to your photos. Okay, so if you're like me and you are uploading a video that you edited on your computer to YouTube, like a YouTube short from your phone, this is how you can do it. So yeah, if this was helpful, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button. I probably won't be making more tutorials, so if you guys happen to like chess and horror gaming and whatever else you'll see on my YouTube channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button. I bring out videos every day. Otherwise, I hope this helps, and take care, guys.